What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. But before I start out with the technical analysis, let's go over some news items. So it looks like the poll already has plenty enough votes to decide that Alibaba would take the champion seat. NIO was not even that close, but it came in second place, and then we had the other Chinese companies respectively third, fourth, and fifth place. But thank you guys for taking participation in the poll, and I will be putting them out here and there just to see what you guys want to see and hear. So another thing is, tomorrow's my birthday, so if you guys don't see a video out, that's probably the reason why. If I get bored, I might just put something out just for fun, but if I don't, I think my next video will be PayPal, so keep an eye out for that. So let's go ahead and start the technical analysis. So it looks like Alibaba did get that bounce as we suspected, just because nothing moves in a straight line in the market. We were pretty much getting super oversold here, so sooner or later we're going to snap back to the EMA, and that looks like what price action is doing currently. The bounce isn't as strong as I thought it would be. I thought we would continue higher and higher, something like the bounce back in early October, where we just kept on going up and up on the daily. Over here, it looks like we're stalling out and congesting, but that doesn't mean that we can't get another move up. I think we will, just because price action looks like it wants to come back to the EMA and possibly even fill in this gap that it filled. I don't know if it'll get up this high with the next move up. We'll have to wait and see, but I think we are just coiling up for just another move up, and the next move up, let's see where it could go. If we make a leg up if we just continue higher from here, where could the next leg up be? Probably the 142 level. So that's where I suspect price action to be going next if we continue higher, which I think we will. But anything can happen in this market, or you could be unsure and not be reading the chart right. But I think we are going to see a retracement much more than we have seen this past week. But at least we did get that bounce, and maybe another leg higher would be nice. So let me show you guys the overall major pattern for Alibaba. We have been continuing in this major downtrend for quite a long time now, and maybe that this push down marked the end of it. We'll have to wait and see. It's too early to tell. No one really knows exactly if this is the bottom or not. Only the people who actually move the market know. But to me, it's telling me that there is a potential sign that we could be coming to an end, but we could always still continue to trend lower. I think China's probably in a recession. That's why all these Chinese stocks have been selling off 50-60% from their all-time highs, just like the US stock market did back in 2008. So I think that's why we're still continuing to trend lower and lower, and there's a lot of bearish sentiment out in the market right now. But I think eventually it get cleared up. It's got to be patient. But let's just go ahead and take a look at this downtrend. You can see that there was another little downtrend inside of the major downtrend. I think this one's already played out. I know definitely this one's already played out, just because we had a break outside the channel and a move to a new low, so that shows signs of weakness, and now we just got to wait for this bigger channel to play out. So this last push down could mark the end of the bear market, but we just have to wait and see. Usually this leads to a reversal, and normally we don't continue lower from here. We don't get a retest of the previous lows like we did over here, where we had the break outside and move to a new low. So this could be a start of a reversal, but it's just too early to tell, just because we haven't even got above the EMA. But I'm being optimistic. I think we will get that second push up, and we'll have to see how the market reacts from there. So I think we will get that second push up, and we're gonna have to see if that will be a trend formation or not. Well, that's pretty much my analysis for Baba. We had that push up because we were super extended from the EMA. Nothing moved in a straight line up or down. We are going to snap back sooner or later to the median price average, which is the EMA. And it looks like we had an overshoot of the channel, and that's why we're also seeing a push up. So it looks like we're stalling out, and the push up isn't as strong as I thought it would be, but I think we will possibly get a second leg up. maybe back to the 140 level, and from there, if we get some type of support from the EMA, we could continue to trend much higher to fill in these gaps and reach the upper side of the channel. But we got to wait and see, take it day by day, but I'll give you guys an update in about a week. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So here we have the weekly chart for Alibaba, and you can see that price action got a bounce from the previous resistance level, and that's right where price action bounced. Came back to retest the breakout level. We see a bounce, but the bounce isn't as strong as we expected. So that doesn't mean we might just fall over. I think we can get a second push up. We'll have to wait and see, just because we are the furthest away from the EMA in this whole bear market. So I think they want to bring this market up a little bit higher before continuing higher or lower. We'll just have to wait and see, but that's why I'm expecting the second leg up. It's just this green bar isn't as bullish as I thought it would be, since it's inside of this red bar. You can see that this green bar is smaller and inside of the previous red bar, so it's not really showing a lot of buyers coming in at this price level. But we'll have to wait and see. Sometimes it could just be congesting at this level and then reverse. So give you guys an update if anything changes, but that's pretty much my analysis for Baba, and we can go and wrap this video up right now. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.